Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 10-inch MDF base in which, as usual, I found the center, drew some circles and created grids. 0 and 180 falls here. The angles are marked at every 15 degrees here. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150 and 165. So similarly, I have marked in this part of the circle too. Let's get started with dotting. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. Now I'll keep some dots in parrot green. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some dots in light green. Now I'll keep tiny dots in light green. Now I'll keep some dots in dark green. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some white dots. I'll keep some dots in parrot green. Now I'll work the dots in parrot green. Now I'll keep some dots in white. Now I'll keep some dots in light green. Now I'll work the dots in light green. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep some dark green dots. Now I'll work the dots in dark green. Now I'll top dot using parrot green. Now I'll top dot using light green. Now I'll top dot using dark green. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep some tiny dots. Now I'll keep some dark green dots. Now I'll keep two side swipes in white. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in parrot green. Now I'll keep two more side swipes in light green. Now I'll walk the dots in white. I'll keep some parrot green dots. Now I'll top dot all the dark green dots with white. I'm sure this dot mandala turned out really well. Thank you for watching this video.